What's up everybody? So today we're going to talk about the release of PS4 System Software 7.55 and whether it's safe for you to download and install. You see here my notifications. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, the PS4 System Software 7.55 has been downloaded and is ready to install, but we don't want to install it just yet. There's one important thing you want to do before you install this new system software update, because you don't want to end up like a lot of the people I've seen on YouTube that keep asking me for help, where your PS4 gets stuck in the safe mode loop and you can't get out of it, and you might have to lose all your save games and all that because you're gonna have to wipe the PS4, initialize it, and then you're gonna have to just start all fresh and download all your games again and all that. So before you install PS4 System Software Update 7.55, make sure you do this, and that is you're gonna go to Settings. Then you're going to scroll down to Application Save Data Management, and then you're going to either want to upload your saved games to online storage if you have PlayStation Plus. If you don't, you can copy it to a USB flash drive. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to back up your data to the cloud storage with PlayStation Plus. So you're going to want to go ahead and select Save Data in System Storage, and then you're going to want to select Upload to Online Storage. Again, this requires PlayStation Plus. So as we see here, we have the Disney Infinity 3.0, which is the one I want to back up. Go ahead and select that game and go ahead and press the X button. And then you're going to want to go ahead and press X again on the save data. And then we're going to want to go on the right and hit upload. And we've now backed up the game data for Disney Infinity in the cloud so that later, after we delete it, we can download it again if we need to. The second way to back up your game data is to copy it to a USB drive. And before you do that, you're going to want to take your USB drive and insert it to the front of the PS4. Alright, now that you inserted the USB drive onto the PS4, let's go back to the PS4 screen. Okay, with your USB drive inserted into the PS4, go ahead and select Copy to USB Storage Device. And then you're going to want to select the game that you want to back up. For me, it's Disney Infinity 3.0. This is the game data I want to back up. Go ahead and select the game data and then go down to Copy. As you can see here, it's backing up the data to the USB drive, and it may take a few minutes. But let's take a look and see if it's even safe to install the 7.5 update, because I've had many problems where the 7.55 update messes up my PS4 and pretty much bricks it, and you know, I've had to initialize my PS4 before, and that is a pain. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and install System Software 7.55 and see if it's safe to install. So hopefully this does not break my PS4. I am using a PS4 Pro, so if you have a different PS4, your mileage may vary. So let's go ahead and try to install it, and hopefully it doesn't mess up my PS4. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and say update system software. And if you look at the details, there isn't much that they're doing with this update. It's pretty much just a update that improves system performance. So I know a lot of you are having a problem with your PS4 where the fan goes really loud and stuff like that. So this might fix that, I don't know. But there's no new features that were added at all. So however, if you've been having problems with the previous system software updates such as 7.50, 7.51, then this update might improve things for you. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and select next, accept the terms, and then hit update. And I'm gonna cross my fingers and hopefully this thing will work without any errors. Last time I had an error, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so my screen just turned black and the LED on the front of my PS4 is blinking white. Now it just turned blue. Is checking the DVD drive. That's another problem, that if you have any problems with your DVD drive, the system software update might error out. So you need to make sure that your DVD ROM on your PS4 is working fine. Okay, it's installing the update, going through pretty quick. I do have a solid state drive on this PS4, so things may go a little bit faster than on your PS4 if it has the original hard drive that came with the PS4. Okay, that was actually a pretty quick update, so let's see, hopefully things went well. Okay, now it looks like it's restarting the PS4. I see the blue blinking light in front of the PS4. I see the PS logo, that's a good sign. Alright, you see it's rebuilding database, not a problem. Okay, it says it installed system software 7.55 and I still see all my games here. So that is great news. Turning on my PS4 controller. Looks fine. Go to notifications, tells me it installed, and now I'm going to just go to settings, go to system software update, and verify that I am on the latest version. Great. So yeah, it looks like 7.5 is safe, but you know, your mileage may vary. If you have a bad hard drive on your PS4 or when it's going bad, a system software update may be just what puts it over the edge where the PS4 hard drive fails. So if that's the case, you may need to replace. So hopefully that doesn't happen to you, but I do have some guides that will guide you if that happens. So yeah, let me know how the 7.5 update worked out for you guys. Remember to back up your saved games to the cloud or to a USB drive before you install the update, okay? Let me know down in the comments how the update went for you. Let me know if you got any errors, what the error message was, so I can help you guys out. So until the next video, I will see you then.